Animals, Episode 60, Dragonfly. Hi there. Who are you?
I'm a dragonfly. Dragonflies are very fast insects.
Where do you live?
Dragonflies live all over the world. We like to be near fresh water. We don't like cold places.
Oh, do you like warm weather?
Yes, dragonflies need warm weather. The sun warms up our wings. Then we can fly.
You have big eyes.
My eyes cover most of my head. They let me see all around. That's how I spot food.
What do you eat?
Dragonflies eat other insects. We love mosquitoes and gnats.
Are you a good hunter?
Yes, dragonflies catch prey in the air. We chase other insects. Then we catch them with our feet.
Do you have enemies?
Fish, ducks, and big insects try to catch us. That's why we keep moving. Here comes a duck! It's time to fly away.
Goodbye, Dragonfly.